Hello everyone, my name is Ryson and welcome to Ryson's Spray Booth, and in this video I have brought something special to show you. Now this thing is internationally known as Gunbird, but since Gunbird is not available in India at the moment, I had to find some hacks and finally I found one which I am going to share with you guys in this video. Now if you have not yet subscribed to my channel and if you want to learn Autobody and painting, then consider subscribing because here we talk about Autobody and painting and all that good stuff. And press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So without any further ado, let's get the video started. So this is the light which I have purchased online. This is actually a headlamp. As you can see here, it is written on the band as headlamp. Now I have adjusted this band to fit on my spray gun, but again I'll readjust it to show you by putting it on my head. You will have to open the entire band like this first, and as you can see here, I have put the light on my head now. You can use this at night if you are riding a cycle or if you are going for any camping, trekking, then you can use this light for that as well. But today we'll see how we can use this light for Autobody and painting. So you will have to pull the band from this side and stretch it and make it small like this. As you can see, I have made it small. Now this light is rechargeable and it comes with a micro USB port. As you can see here, you can use your mobile charger to charge this light. On one full charge, this light is enough to complete your paint job. But when you are not using it, see that you put it off. Now how many modes are there on this light? We'll check that. So this is the narrow mode where the light is focused in a narrow spot, and this is a wide mode where the light is spread widely. Then comes the strobe mode where the light goes on and off. Then it also has a red light and it also has a strobe red light. It also has another button on the left side. Now this button, if you press once, then your light will turn on the narrow mode. Now this light has motion sensor. If you move anything in front of this light, then it will turn off, as you can see here. So without touching this light, you can turn it on and off. Now this is the motion sensor of the light. Anything which moves in front of this will turn the light on and off. So I would like to tell you here that this is not a paid promotion. I have purchased this light for 999 rupees. The name of this light is Tripole. You can buy not only this light but any light which looks like this. Now this light has a up and down adjustments here, as you can see. Now how to use this adjustment I will show you once I put this on the spray gun. I have bought this light because the band on this light allows me to put this light on the spray gun very easily. So I will put this on the spray gun now and I will show you. So you will have to put this on the spray gun cup, as you can see here how I have put this on the spray gun cup. Now this should be fitting tightly and it should not be loose. As you can see here how I am pulling it down. Like this discomfort you should feel while pulling it down, otherwise it can fall down while spraying the paint and it can ruin your paint job. So adjust it accordingly. So once you put it on the cup, you can turn it on like this. I will turn it on the motion sensor. Now once you turn it on, you will have to adjust the light on the hinges. Now you will have to adjust it where your spray gun will be spraying the paint. You will have to do this on the adjustment which I had showed you before. And once you adjust it properly, you can start to spray the paint. Now I have tried this and I have got very good results with it. Now let's go and see how this can help you while spraying the paint. One more important thing you will have to keep in mind. This light front glass is a plastic glass. You can't clean it. If you go to clean it, it will get spoiled. So it's better to protect it. So you will have to protect it with a clean film. Now you will find the clean film in your kitchen or you can easily get it in the market. So tear a small piece of the clean film and wrap it around the light. As you can see here how I have wrapped the entire light in it. I have done this so that the overspray will not get settled on the front glass and not get spoiled. Now the size of this band I have reduced even more because I will be using my 1mm tip spray gun here and it comes with a smaller cup. As you can see here, it is a 50 ml cup. So I have adjusted the band according to this cup. So you can imagine how well you can adjust this band. If you want, you can cover this entire band with a clean wrap like this so that the clear coat will not fall on it and get hard. So come on, let's try it on the back side of this fuel tank. Now I will be applying clear coat here. Now when you are spraying clear coat on the back side and if the lighting in your spray booth is not proper, then you can easily miss a spot. But as you can see how good the light is of my hack, I can see very well now. If your spray booth does not have a good lighting, then this hack is definitely going to help you out. How easily I can see and cover up the entire thing you have experienced here. So I am very happy with the light. See that you comment below and let me know how you like the light. And if you want to buy this light, then I will put a link of it in the description below. You can go there and buy this light from my affiliate link. It will help me and give me a small commission. And if this light gets sold out, because whenever I mention a tool in the video, it immediately gets sold out, then you can even buy different company but same types. But see that you check the band before buying because it should fit on the spray gun properly. So see that you buy accordingly. So hoping that this video was useful to you. If you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you consider subscribing because we learn Autobody and painting on this channel. And see that you hit that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, This is Ryson signing out until we meet again.